Okay, continuation part 2. I'm calling this the Apple Hot Shot 2 milliliter Everclear. 2 milliliters of pure Everclear with apples in it, and just a shot of Canada Dry.
You trying to set me up?
First, we're gonna pop it.
You trying to set me up?
Here's the victim here.
You trying to set me up?
First, we're gonna try one of the pieces of apple.
Who? We or just me?
Oh, it's gonna be you. It's not gonna be me.
Nah.
So, you want to take a quick sniff, see what it smells like?
Oh, you trying to set me up? Oh my gosh, you trying to set me up?
You need a napkin?
I don't like him.
Okay.
I don't like him. I don't. I really don't. Woo!
Oh.
Woo!
Question is, do you taste the apple?
Hell no! Ooh!
I will admit, I think I put too much Everclear in this.
Oh man, I'm trying to tell you, that's not it.
It's too strong? I may have to dilute it. Okay.
Ooh.
Oh, see, that's why I call it the hot shot. This will shock your nervous system.
Gosh.
So we see how strong that is. I'm assuming that you don't want to continue. You're done? Well, no,
I don't like him.
He'll be unconscious shortly. Now, the hot shot. I'm gonna have to. It looks like I'm gonna have to mellow this out a little bit, which means I'm gonna have to put it in a bigger.
Woo! That shit knocked the breath out of me.
I'm gonna put this in a bigger jar and mellow it out. Put some more apples in it and let it sit for another day or so. Yeah, cause that apple is just sucking all that good stuff up in it. Look at that. About a week or so, that was apple to be pretty deteriorated. It's already starting to. So, what do you think? Would you agree by this being called the Apple Hot Shot? He agrees to the hot shot. So, you don't have to take a drink because you look like you're already miserable. I'm gonna tame this down a whole lot more. Cut some more apples in it and cut it with some more ginger ale because apparently this hot shot is too hot. All right, family, have a wonderful holiday, and if you want to play some fun, try Ron's Apple Hot Shot 2 milliliter. Now, my disclaimer: drink this at home. Do not drink and drive, and friends don't let friends drive drunk. You take care of yourself. Until next time, take care.
Alright, man, I'm about to get a shot of this.
Wait a minute. Don't say you about to get a shot of it when it's already been diluted again. But go ahead and give it a shot.
It's better.
Huh?
It's way better.
Yeah, because I diluted by 50%.
Yeah, that's way better. Oh man, I'm happy.
Smoother.
I'm happy. Last time.
The hot shot has this bottle. So 200 milliliters to give you an idea. This is a 12-ounce bottle. Where's the 200 milliliters is right here.
Might be.
With the fruit, it took it up here. So it was just a shot of ginger ale in it. It wasn't cut. So what you drank was almost 100% Everclear. Pure Everclear. That's why it burnt like it. That's why I call it a hot shot. This is Everclear cut by at least 50%. I'm going to let this sit, let the fruit absorb it a little bit, and it'll be more of a soothing and not so burning. And the fruit will get you twisted too. Well, the fruit that's been got alcohol in it is the one here. See where it turns color? That thing is just sucking up the alcohol.
Yeah, can I get another one?
where you have to dig it out. It's all the way at the bottom, and it's probably just going to be as strong as the other one.
I'll take another shot. Guys, see, you trying to set me up. So look, if I start seeing dead people, blame him.
If you start seeing dead people, I'm the last person you need to blame.
Shoot. This he drunk too. He be alright. Hey, cheers.
Still got a bite to it, huh?
Ooh. Ooh.
Let it sit for a little bit because the fruit hasn't been able to absorb the rest of the alcohol, so it's still gonna burn a little bit.
This is pain. Why did I say I would do this?
This is done. It's gonna sit for the rest of what's called. Now, if you want a hot shot, make one. But all right, until we out here for real this time. I got to make a couple more. I'm thinking about maybe doing a pear. You like pineapple?
Pineapple.
What about peaches?
Yeah, I do peaches.
We're gonna make do you want a hot shot or a regular?
Hot.
You want a hot shot peach? Even though you just had a hot shot, you think you're man enough. I'm gonna make my hot shot peach. I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. I'm gonna start the next video with the hot shot peach. Show you exactly what I put in it and why he's in pain right now. Be back with you.